Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to add the Blast chain on MetaMask. So first and foremost, what you're going to do is simple. Head over to your Chrome browser. Once on your Chrome browser, come to the search bar, and then on the search bar, search for chain list.org. So search for that website, then click on search. Now once you've searched for that website, click on search networks. Now in the search for networks over here, what you'll do is simple. Search for Blast chain. So you search for Blast chain. So once you search for Blast chain, you see two options. You see the Blast chain main network over here, okay, and also the Blast more like your token. So you click on this Blast main network. So click on Connect Wallet, okay. Once you click on Connect Wallet, just click on this drop down arrow over here, and you'll be given details to this Blast chain network. So if you want to connect it to your MetaMask, just come and copy some of these details. For example, I'll come and copy the RPC server address, then head back to my MetaMask. Now, once on my MetaMask, click on this drop down arrow, then click on Add Network. So you click on Custom Network, and then you'll be inputting the details of this Blast chain network. So this is RPC address, so I just come and paste it there, and then I'll input the network name. Remember, it was the Blast chain network, and also inputs other details, the chain ID, and then the symbol, and then the blockchain explorer. So once you're done putting all this, just click on add, and then the Blast chain network will automatically be added to your MetaMask. So for my case, I won't be adding it because I already have it on my MetaMask, but that's a simple procedure for this one. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet once again.